Hey everybody, it is your girl Coach Cheryl and welcome back to the 5-minute masterclass. I'm having so much fun with this new Ecamm Live 4.1 update, overlays, just having fun, just playing around with it, seeing what's possible. And so on today's video, as I promised, we're going to be showing you how to make some fun but really simple and clean countdown timers so that you can use in front of your live stream. So let's jump in. We got for 5 minutes. We got to keep it rolling. So let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, so here we are in the lab. And before we jump into this, one thing that I will always tell you is that I am nobody's graphic designer, but I love how Ecamm is making it so simple and so easy to do some things on our own without hiring a graphic designer or without having to go into Canva to do all the magic there. We can do it inside of Ecamm. So let's jump into this. We're going to make some simple countdown timers that are fun and a little interesting. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to hit our shape overlay. So here we go. So we're just going to click right here on our arrow, and we're going to make this just one color. So we're going to make it this blue. And also what we're going to do is we're going to take it, and what you can also do with shape overlays is you can change the opacity. So right now you'll see a solid blue, but if I just come here to opacity, I can actually lighten that. And so I'm going to make it just a little bit lighter. Maybe I'll just go halfway. And then we'll take this and we'll put it over our entire. Now see, we have added just some little bit of fun, a little bit of dimension to it. And so I like to do like opaque screens when I am doing just countdown timers, just for fun, just to add a little visual interest. But here's one thing that I wondered as I was preparing for this is, what if I did a gradient instead of just one color? So let's come back here where it says color, and let's add a gradient to this. And it's added in black, so let's see what that looks like. Can you see the dimension in that? How it actually changed that up and just added a little visual interest to it. But let's see. Let's try again. What would happen if I decided I wanted motion to that gradient? And now you can kind of see it going around. And I'm going to change maybe one of these colors so you can actually see, let's see, that color just a little bit better. So let's change this second color to, let's say, orange. And so now, there we go. Now you can see that gradient kind of shifting just a little bit more, and see how it just adds just a little bit more fun, a little bit more interest to it. And we can even change the opacity in it. Where I had the opacity really low, I can bring that opacity up some. And let's see what that looks like. So it even gives just a little bit more fun, a little bit more visual interest to your actual countdown timer. And now I know you're saying, well, sure, all I see is the opacity and I see these fun colors. Where's my countdown timer? So of course we're going to go in here and we're going to select our countdown timer. And let's say, of course, we're not going to do it at 10 minutes. Let's say we're only going to do it at 1 minute. And so we're going to add the time in. We're going to pull it up just a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and add some text to this. It said, starting in so this could be something you put here in the middle. It could be something you put here on the side. And there is just a quick and easy countdown timer. Just letting people know, hey, I am here. You could be doing stuff in the background. I've seen live streaming pros where she's dancing. I like to dance, and I like to have some music while I am doing it as well. But this is just really fun. Just really something that you can actually have fun with. You can play with. So these are just some of the fun things that I have done in Ecamm, playing around, making, just opacity screens for my countdown timers. But I want to know, how would you use this new feature? What would you do? Let me know down in the comments, or even link me to some of the fun things that you've done so that I can gain insight and I can up level my game as well. Well, I have had so much fun working in Ecamm Live with this update with these shape overlays. On next week, we're going to talk about text overlays and how we can actually have fun with the new text overlays that is in the new update. But again, if you have enjoyed this content, I want you to go ahead and hit that like. If you aren't already a member of this family, go ahead and subscribe. We are having fun over here in the 5-Minute Masterclass, and I want to see you in the family. See you next week.